Okay, this video is going to help you customize your sorts and organize your data a little better so you can work through your data. All right, so what we're going to do is rather than the standard A to Z, all right, sorting, let's go to data and sort. Rather than doing your A to Z sorting, we're going to show you how to do a customized sorting. All right, and that creates a ranking that you want to see. So let me just show you my data here. This is a very basic expense budget. This is information, it's fictitious information that you would see on maybe a typical credit card statement. And there's the date, here's the expense, here's the amount, and then there's different tags. All right, what type of category is this? So I categorize these things as groceries, gas, home maintenance, things like that. And then I also put in just the frequency. How often is the bill paid? Okay. So for me, I like to categorize these things, not necessarily by the amount or the type, but I want to rank them in a certain order and see certain things on top. And I don't want, like this category, to be listed alphabetically because I'm most concerned about what are my regular bills, number one. I like to see what we are paying for in groceries and then how much gas are we taking. And then if I wanted to, I could sort them many different ways other than that, but usually as a standard, that's the way I like to see the data. So how do I do this? Because regular bill starts with an R, then gas and groceries starts with G, and then if I sorted them alphabetically, it wouldn't necessarily work out. So let me show you how to do a customized sort. So first we're going to highlight our data. We're going to come up to data, and we're going to go into our sort buttons up here. Okay. And the first thing we want to do is you want to recognize that your data does have headers or not. Okay. So mine definitely has the header, and you want to click that. So in here you can select what that header is. It makes it nice and easy for you. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sort the category alphabetically. And the reason I'm just going to do this is so it's easier for me to see. If you had 200 categories in here, it would be a lot harder for you to see how many categories you actually have. And so you can list them out. You're going to have to list them out specifically. So now I'm going to come back in here, category. I'm actually going to sort now using a custom list. It gives you the option. What you do is you see here it says new list. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to rank the categories according to my hierarchy. So for me, I like to see regular bills first. Then I want to see grocery. And then I want to see gas and then fuel. Now, you obviously can see that there's more, there's home maintenance and there's repairs and there's some other categories here. I could list out all the categories if I wanted to, but it's not necessary because I don't necessarily care where home maintenance goes and repairs. I'm concerned about these three, and I want those always to be on top of my list so I can list these. Once they sort by the ones I list here, everything else would be then alphabetical below that. All right. So I'm going to hit add here. It adds it to my customized list. Okay. I'm going to hit OK. And now you can sort by this customized list that you provided. Hit OK. And then you're going to see, great, my regular bills are up top, my groceries and my gas and my fuel are here. And then these, as you can see, sorted alphabetically, automatically. Okay. So that's the first thing you could do. The second thing you could do here is you can bury in multi-layered sorts, as we discussed in my prior video. All right, I have another video out there that goes over the basics on sorting. So if you hit sort here, you can add another level. So what's going to happen is you're going to sort by this first, then you're going to sort by something else. And for me, I would like to see the amount sorted largest to smallest. So give me my largest bill first, my second largest, etc. Okay. Hit go. And now we're still, you can see we're still organized by category, my customized category list. And then in each category, you can see that right here. They sorted highest to lowest. Okay. You may not necessarily want to do it this way, but you can see the power in creating a customized sort, and you can see the power in layering your sorts. Okay, so this is a nice easy list now for me to go through. All right, you may want to do this for a multitude of different reasons. Maybe you have inventory as a small business. Maybe you have a party list and you need tags on the side. You want to sort a certain way. Okay, you can use this. It's very powerful. let me show you one more thing that you can do on a customized list. Let's say you want to highlight this present to Jim. And what you can do here is you hit home, or you can right click here, okay? And you can fill the color of those cells. And let's say we're just going to do a nice yellow. And you want to highlight that. Now if this was 300 lines long, you wouldn't be able to see this right here. So you may want to sort by anything that you highlighted, and you may want to put those up top. All right, you may want to have all the highlighted items up top. So how do you do that? You can do that as well. So let's highlight our list again. We're going to data sort, and we're going to delete all these levels and start over. All right, so we're going to add our first level of sorting, and we're going to sort, let's just say, by category. Now, rather on cell values, we're not sorting by the names. We're going to sort by the colors. And the reason here, it didn't matter what category I had, because all of these were sorted. Excuse me, all of these are highlighted. All the columns are highlighted. So rather than on values of the cells, you can do it on the color. If you see that cell color, which is what we have there, or the font color. And that's very powerful as well. If you want to just highlight a few things, and you can put them at the top if you wanted to. So we're going to hit cell color here. Over here, you're going to select what color it is, which is the yellow, of course, and then you tell it, is it on top, is it on the bottom? So, of course, we want that on top. The second thing I'm going to tell you is I want to go back then. So we're first going to sort by that color, and then everything else I want it sorted by my category, my customized category. So we're going to add this sort, go back to my regular bills, all right? And then that way, all right, it puts on top the most highly emphasized. You wanted to really look into this gift, what's going on with this gift, and then everything else now is sorted by your very specific list. All right? So this is very powerful for you. I hope this really helped you. Please add comments and questions in the comment box, because I want to help you. Tell me what's troubling you with Excel, and I will do my best to try and solve those problems. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.